So we have next question from GATE 2021 Fluid Mechanics for 2 marks. Consider a tank filled with two immiscible liquids. We have liquids A, B and C at static equilibrium as shown in the figure. At 2 cm below the tank, below the liquid AB liquid interface, a tube is connected from the side of the tank. AB interface is here. From below 2 cm we have connected a tube. At the operating temperature and pressure, the specific gravities of liquids A, B and C are 1, 2 and 4 respectively. Neglect any surface tension effects in the calculations. The length of the L tube that is weighted by liquid B is in centimeter. So let's start with the solution. First, we need to calculate the height of the column of fluid B, vertical column fluid B. How we can calculate it? Since due to the hydrostatic pressure, the fluid B is going upward, right? If it is inclined type of tube, but if it is a vertical tube, then fluid will go upward or to the some height, right? So first we need to calculate the vertical height of the fluid B. See, this type of similar question has been asked for this concept has been asked on in GATE 2016 also. They have given different type of fluids and this type of tubes also, and where we need to calculate the height of the column of water or other fluid, kerosene and water I think there. So first we need to calculate the vertical column. Let height of the column is h. That was a vertical height, right? From hydrostatic law you can see here, from the hydrostatic law what we can do here, you can see here in the figure. First we will multiply rho gh, we will multiply rho a is the density of A into height of h into g, gravity, acceleration due to gravity, and we will multiply similarly here B, rho b hb into g. Then we will we want to calculate the height of B in vertical column of this, right? So what we will do, this balance, we can do this balance. Here is h, height of A, fluid A into G into 1. I'm multiplying here specific gravity only, since you can convert it into density, but it will all will be cancel out, so we can put here specific gravity only, and I'm putting here in centimeter since we need to answer in centimeter. Since if you multiply, if you convert it into meter, then also there is no problem, and centimeter will be also same, no problem is there, right? Since one have no unit, G have meter per second square, unit of meter per second square, so G will be cancel out, so we have no problem with the centimeter, right? So here 4 centimeter into G into 1 plus 2 centimeter into G into 2 for fluid B is equal to H. We want to calculate into 2 into G. 2 is the here 2. What is the meaning of 2? 2 is the specific gravity of fluid B, right? Or G is the acceleration due to gravity. From this you can see here G will be cancelled out from these terms, right? Then H is equal to 4 centimeter we get. If we get this, then we just want to calculate length L that was shown in figure. We just need to calculate now L. How we can calculate it? You can see here, now we have calculated a base. If we consider it as a triangle, if we consider it as from here to here is a triangle, then we can say hypotenuse is L divided by base, or we can say it is adjacent. Hypotenuse upon base is equal to sec theta, that is sec 60 degree, right? since sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, or we can say hypotenuse upon adjacent, right? So we will apply this formula, means sec theta is equal to L over H. We will apply sec theta is equal to L over H. From here you will put the values. Sec 60 degree is equal to L upon 4 centimeter. Sec 60 we know is to L upon 4 centimeter, and if we multiply 4 here, so we will get L is equal to 8 centimeter. This was your answer as per official answer keys given by GATE 2021 IIT Bombay. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.